But during my implicit revelations case study, I came across some new discoveries, and I'm really excited to share it with you. The process of applying these ideas provided the unconscious body-mind with energetic tools to totally transform the untransformable. And so I can look back and remember things from the past few years when there wasn't an ability to do that before. And the implicit fragments from those experiences is rewritten and can't negatively impact me at all ever again. And so these are 3 astounding miracles that have unfolded through the continued application of these ideas. Childhood memories that used to belong to a completely independent person in this body are now fully connected with who and where I am today, allowing aspects of my inner child to see the adult that she grew up to be and the adult who is here now to care for her. Independently developed memory centers throughout all of the primal years of adulthood are now connected with an unfathomably remarkable sense of improved neural connectivity to a degree that I couldn't have intentionally done if I had tried to directly do that. And most astoundingly of all, memories from times when memories couldn't be created are totally transformed. And all of this was achieved without working with any memory data at all. None. I didn't have to work with a single memory to achieve all of these things. So how? How did this happen? How did this happen? And how can this idea be shared in an abstract way so anybody can take it and make it their own?